Welcome back to the Learning English podcast. I'm Anna, and I'm here with my co-host, John. Hey, John, how's it going?
Hey, Anna. I'm doing great, thanks. I was just thinking about what happened to me at the coffee shop yesterday.
Ooh, tell me more.
Well, I was waiting in line, and there was this person next to me who looked really nervous. They kept looking around like they wanted to talk to someone, but didn't know how to start.
Oh no, that's exactly what we see with so many of our English learners.
Exactly. And that got me thinking. This is perfect timing for today's topic. We're going to talk about 5 simple phrases for small talk in English.
I love this topic. You know what, John? Before we dive in, I want our listeners to know something really important. Small talk isn't about being the most interesting person in the room.
That's such a good point, Anna.
Small talk is about making the other person feel comfortable. It's about showing that you're friendly and approachable. You don't need to have amazing stories or be super witty.
Right, exactly. So let's start with the basics. How do you even begin a conversation? The simplest way is just to introduce yourself. Something like, "Hi, I'm John," or "Hello, my name is Anna."
Mm-hmm. And then you can follow up with, what do you do? Now, our listeners might be thinking, but what if I don't understand their job?
Oh, that's totally fine. You can just say, "That sounds interesting. Tell me more." People love talking about their work, and this gives them permission to explain it in more detail.
Yes, and that brings us to something super important, follow-up questions. This is what keeps the conversation going.
Absolutely. You can't just ask one question and then stand there in silence. You need to show that you're listening and that you're interested.
Which brings us to our 4 magic phrases. I call them magic because they work in almost any conversation. Are you ready, John?
I'm ready. Let's do this.
That sounds interesting. This works for almost anything someone tells you about their job, hobby, or recent experience.
Perfect. Number 2. How long have you been doing that? This is great for jobs, hobbies, sports, anything they've mentioned that's an ongoing activity.
Mm-hmm. Number 3, what do you like most about it? This gets people talking about the positive aspects of whatever they're doing.
And number 4, tell me more. This is the ultimate conversation extender. It's simple, but it shows you're genuinely interested.
I love how simple these are. Now, let's talk about what topics are safe for small talk. John, what would you say are the go-to topics?
Great question. Safe topics include work, hobbies, travel, food, weekend plans, and yes, even the weather. People joke about talking about the weather, but it's actually a great conversation starter.
Right, but there are some topics to avoid, especially when you first meet someone.
Exactly. Avoid politics, religion, money, and personal problems. These can make people uncomfortable or start arguments. Keep it light and friendly.
Now, what about ending conversations? A lot of our listeners ask about this because they feel awkward when they want to leave but don't know how.
Oh, this is so important. You can say things like, "It was really nice talking with you," or "I should let you get back to your day, but it was great meeting you."
Yes, or even something simple like, I hope you have a great rest of your day, works perfectly.
The key is to be polite and give a reason for ending the conversation, even if it's just, "I should get going."
Okay, John, I think it's time for a demonstration. Let's show our listeners how this works in practice. I'll start a conversation with you, and you can be someone I'm meeting for the first time.
Sounds good. I'm ready.
Hi there, I'm Anna. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Anna. I'm Mike. Nice to meet you too.
So, Mike, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. I work mostly with small businesses on their branding and websites.
That sounds interesting. How long have you been doing that?
About 5 years now. I started right after college, and I really love the creative freedom it gives me.
Oh, what do you like most about it?
I think it's seeing how my designs help businesses connect with their customers. Plus, every project is different, so I never get bored.
That's amazing. Tell me more about the variety in your work.
Well, last month I worked on a logo for a bakery, and this week I'm designing a website for a yoga studio. The styles are completely different, which keeps things exciting.
Wow, that does sound really interesting. Well, it was great talking with you, Mike, but I should let you get back to your day.
Thanks, Anna. It was nice meeting you too. Have a great day.
Perfect. Did everyone catch that? I used 3 of our 4 magic phrases. That sounds interesting. How long have you been doing that? And what do you like most about it? And Mike, gave me lots to work with.
And notice how Anna showed she was listening by asking follow-up questions. She didn't just wait for her turn to talk, she built on what I was saying.
Exactly. The conversation flowed naturally because we were both engaged. Okay, listeners, here's your homework for this week.
I love that we're giving homework.
Practice using just one of these phrases this week. Start small. Maybe use, "That sounds interesting," when a coworker tells you about their weekend plans. Or try, "Tell me more," when someone mentions something they're working on.
And remember, you don't have to be perfect. Even native speakers sometimes have awkward conversations. The important thing is to try and be kind to yourself as you practice.
We'd love to hear about your small talk adventures. Send us a message on our social media and tell us which phrase you tried and how it went.
Thanks for listening to the Learning English podcast. Don't forget to like this episode and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a new lesson.
Until next time, keep practicing. And remember, small talk is just about being friendly. You've got this.